A stone throw away from Tanah Merah MRT, you just need only 2 minutes walk under sheltered walkway to reach home. Let's take a look at The Glades, a young 3-year-old development that boasts contemporary modern architecture within an exclusive environment in Tanah Merah. Excellent connectivity that gives you direct access to an array of amenities. The Glades is one stop away from Bedok Mall and East Point Mall, supermarkets and leisure shopping for your daily essential needs. Just minutes to Simpang Bedok and Bedok Marketplace, a popular enclave of affordable eats and hidden gems in the east. Say wow to many dining options awaits you. Minutes to Changi Business Park, potential expat tenants would choose to live in The Glades. With good profile tenants and constant tenancy demand, expect the rental yield will be high, making it an ideal investment choice. The 8,880 square meter site at Tanah Merah Kecil Link attracted 15 bids with the highest at 248.99 million, meaning in future, the top bidder developer may need to sell the new apartments for 1,700 to 1,800 per square feet. So don't wait, own one property in Tanah Merah as a strategic investment now. I'm proud to show you a 2-bedder plus balcony with tasteful design renovations and pristine condition by the owner. Step into this high-floor unit, you'll be greeted by a full-function kitchenette, living hall, and a good-sized balcony. Just bring your luggage and move in. This superb 581 square feet 2-bedder comes with quality carpentry and tastefully designed TV feature console that allows plenty of storage space. Wow, you can enjoy an outdoor balcony that easily fits a 6-seater dining set. The unit is located on the top floor of the elevated land facing the spectacular unblocked view overlooking the whole development. Equipped with zip-trap blinds which helps to prevent rain on rainy days, this relaxing outdoor area is perfect if you love alfresco dining with a view. The functional kitchenette is essential for your daily meal prep. The kitchen appliances are all within reach. The second room is flexible as a bedroom that fits queen-size bed or as a study room with work-at-home function. This existing full-size wardrobe provides ample storage needs if required. The master bedroom is cozy in grey theme with full-size wardrobe, wall-hanging cabinets, and fits a queen-size bed. A well-spaced bedroom facing the same unblocked view like the balcony. The sleek bathroom comes with modern fittings in pristine condition. The Glades full condo facilities includes a large swimming pool that wends its way through the length of the development. This provides endless enjoyment for you and your family. In case you need to get some quick groceries, there is also a mini-mart located within the condo. One of the unique selling points of the Glades is the 3 huge sky pots, an iconic feature akin to the super trees at Gardens by the Bay by the same designer. Where they light up at night for the amazing view, this is an outstanding landscape over the neighbouring condos. If you are looking for a property less than 1 million, well-spaced, well-renovated, and the potential gain in terms of capital and rental income, this property at the Glades is a unit not to be missed. Wait no more, come and see it for yourself. Contact me for an exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AEG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.